In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A05s, and today I would like to show you how you can use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top. If you can't find it, select those three dots at the top right corner and click on Clipboard here. Now, in order to use it, copy or cut any text. And then to paste it, click on it in Clipboard section. To pin it, select this pin at the top right corner. Tap on your text and select Done, also at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. If you wish to delete it, select the bin icon instead. Tap on text that you wish to delete, hit delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!